Greetings to you all. Acronyms. Acronym is a short word that is made from the first letters of a group of words. It is pronounced as a separate word. All acronyms are abbreviations. ஒரு தொடரிலுள்ள சொற்களின் முதல் எழுத்துக்களை சேர்த்து உருவாக்கப்படும் புதுச்சொல். அச்சொல்லை உச்சரிக்கும் போது தனிச்சொல்லாக உச்சரிக்கப்படுகிறது. எல்லா acronyms-களும் abbreviation-களே. Let's get started. AIDS, Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome, AIR, All India Radio, Avadi, Armored Vehicle and Ammunition Depot of India, BEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Book, Bio-Optic Organized Knowledge, Diet, District Institute of Education and Training, GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, INSAT, Indian National Satellite, Internet, International Network, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, Laser, Light Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation, NASA, National Aeronautic and Space Administration. NEET, National Eligibility cum Entrance Test. News, North, East, West, South. PAN, Permanent Account Number. PIN, Postal Index Number. Radar, Radio Detection and Ranging. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read Only Memory. SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SAT, Scholastic Aptitude Test. SCUBA, Self-Contained Underwater Breathing Apparatus. SIM, Subscriber Identity Module. TAFE, Tractor and Farm Equipment. TANSI, Tamil Nadu Small Industries. UNESCO, United Nations Educational Scientific Cultural Organization. UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. VAT, Value Added Tax. Virus, Vital Information Resources Under Siege. WHO, World Health Organization. Thank you for watching.